am Dr. Rashmi Chavla, and today I'll be taking another important topic of cost and management accounting. We'll be discussing in details about the important terminologies which are related to cost accounting. Basically, we'll be discussing about what is cost, costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy. What is the relationship between costing, cost accounting, and cost accountancy? And what are the differences between these terms? We'll also be discussing about what is cost accounting and what are the important features of cost accounting. Some important details about cost accounting. First terminology which is important, which we'll study, is the cost. See, the cost, we describe the cost in relation to what purpose and for what condition it is being used. See, as per the definition given by the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London, cost is the amount of actual expenditure incurred on a given thing. That means what actual expenditure you are incurring on a particular thing is the cost. Next, we come to costing. See, what is costing? The Institute of Cost and Management Accountants, London, has defined costing as the ascertainment of costs. It includes the techniques and processes of ascertaining costs. The technique refers to principles and rules which are applied for ascertaining costs of products manufactured and services rendered. See, there are mainly two methods of ascertaining costs of product manufactured and services rendered. So what are these two methods of costing, which we'll be discussing in details in our later classes? Basically, these are job costing and process costing. The process includes what? It includes the day-to-day routine activities of determining cost with a method of costing. It can either be job or process adopted by a business enterprise. Within such a process, there could be historical costing, marginal costing, absorption costing, standard costing. In practice, we can say what is costing? Costing refers to all techniques, the processes, and the principles applied for ascertaining the cost of products manufactured or the services rendered. Next, we come to cost accounting. Now, what is cost accounting? Cost accounting is a tool of management. It provides management with a detailed records of costs relating to products, operations, or functions. So what does cost accounting mean? It refers to the process of determining and accumulating the cost of some particular product or activity. It involves classification, analysis, and interpretation of costs. The costs so determined and accumulated may be the estimated future cost for planning purposes or actual historical cost for evaluating performance. So on the basis of the above discussion, we can say the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants, London, defines cost accounting as the process of accounting for cost from the point at which expenditure is incurred or committed to the establishment of its ultimate relationship with cost centers and cost units. In its widest usage, it embraces the preparation of statistical data, the application of cost control methods, and the ascertainment of the profitability of activities carried out or planned. So we have discussed what is cost. It is the actual expenditure which is incurred on a given thing. When we come to costing, it refers to the techniques and processes which are concerned with the determination of cost or service. And when we come to cost accounting not only is related to the estimation or ascertainment of cost, but it is also related to how particular cost can be related to a cost center or cost unit. It is also the application of these cost data, the statistical data which we are preparing for cost control methods so that profitability can be achieved. Now, the next important terminology which we'll be discussing is the cost accountancy. See, what is cost accountancy? It is a combination of both costing and cost accounting. What is the purpose of cost accountancy? Cost accountancy purpose is not only ascertainment of cost, but also related to cost reduction, cost control, finding out the profitability, and as well as cost audit. So basically, when we refer to any tool for management for decision making, that becomes cost accountancy. So it is basically a tool for the management decision making. ICMA has defined cost accountancy as the application of costing and cost accounting principle, methods, and techniques to the science, art, and practice of cost control and ascertainment of profitability. It includes the presentation of information derived therefrom for the purpose of managerial decision making. So, out of this definition, we can conclude that cost accountancy has been made from both costing as well as cost accounting, but a little broader than both of these terms. Why? Because it includes all aspects of costing and cost accounting that is being used by the management for decision making. So this is very important for in terms of cost accountancy. See, besides costing and cost accounting, cost accountancy is also including three other things. When we are talking about the scope of cost accountancy, it is broader when we compare it with the costing or cost accounting. Firstly, it includes costing. Second, cost accounting. Third, we include cost reduction. That means what is cost reduction? It is aimed at achieving real and permanent reduction in the unit cost of goods produced or services rendered. But yes, there should not be any kind of compromise in the quality and the suitability of the product or service. Next important scope of cost accountancy is cost control. What is cost control? When we are searching for better and economical ways of completing the current operations, there may be various methods of doing a particular operation, but when we choose the most economical way, that is what cost control. Why? Because our main motive is to eliminate the waste, prevent the waste, we can reduce the waste. And last, cost audit. Cost audit, we do what? We verify the cost accounts and we check whether the cost accounts have been prepared in adherence to the accounting principles, plans, procedures or not. So what is cost accountancy? Cost accountancy is made up of 5 different concepts: costing, cost accounting, cost reduction, cost control, and cost audit. Now, see, a diagrammatic representation has been given over here. We can see what is cost. Cost is a sacrificed resource to obtain something. That means actual expenditure which you have incurred to obtain something. Then what is costing? It is the process of ascertaining the cost. It is the techniques and the principles which you are applying for ascertaining cost. Cost accounting, it is the process of accounting for cost. That means when you put into certain accounting procedures for ascertaining cost, that becomes cost accounting. And what is cost accountancy? It is the practice of both costing and cost accounting, as well as cost reduction, cost control, and cost audit. Now, uh, generally people uh, they get confused between these terms. So I have made a difference over here so that you can understand clearly what is cost accountancy, costing, and cost accounting. There are four bases of difference. The first one, when we talk about the scope, the broadest scope is the subject which is having the broadest scope is cost accountancy. As already I told you that it is comprising of the five different concepts: costing, cost accounting, cost reduction, cost control, and cost audit. Costing is also broadest, but it has a less broader scope than cost accountancy. But when we talk about cost accounting, it has a narrow scope. When we talk about functions, cost accountancy consists of formulation of costing principles, techniques and methods to be adopted by business. Everything comes into cost accountancy. When we talk about costing, it is basically the ascertainment of cost, and cost accounting is recording and classifying and summarizing the cost. When we talk about periodicity of functioning, see, first starting point is cost accountancy. Where does costing start? Costing begins where cost accountancy ends. And where does cost accounting start? Cost accounting starts where costing ends. Who are the persons involved in these three? In case of cost accountancy, as I said, it is basically a tool for managerial decision making. So a management accountant is involved in cost accountancy. In case of costing, it is ascertainment of cost. So the cost accountants are involved. And in case of cost accounting, as it is recording, so the cost clerks are involved into cost accounting. So now we'll be discussing about the features of cost accounting. First, accounting for costs. Cost accounting is nothing but it helps in accounting for the cost preparation of statistical data on the basis of which cost can be recorded, classified, summarized. Second, cost ascertainment. When we talk about costing, we know cost accounting also involves costing. So, cost accounting helps in the ascertainment of cost of a product or service. Cost control. Cost accounting helps not only in ascertainment and accounting for costs, but it also helps in cost control by applying various techniques like budgetary control, or we can say standard costing, through which what happens, the actuals are compared with the standards and the predetermined costs so that variances can be found out. Fourth, to find out variances, as I said, the actuals are compared with the standard so that we found out the variances and corrective and remedial measures can be taken. So it helps in reducing and eliminating the waste and thereby increasing the efficiency. Future estimation. It also helps in preparing the statistical data in such a way, in a correct way, so that on the basis of the present and the past data, future estimation can be done. Planning, controlling, and decision making. See, cost accounting helps the management in planning, in controlling, as well as in decision making. Like it provides the right information to the right person at the right time. So it helps the management in decision making, like whether to make or buy, whether to replace a machinery or not. Part of financial accounting. Cost accounting, we know, has come out of financial accounting. So it is an important part of financial accounting. We can say it is a complementary part of financial accounting. Total cost or cost per unit can be ascertained. This is an important feature of cost accounting, that we can find either the total cost, and even if we want, we can find out cost per unit of a product or a service. Adequate control on elements of cost. See, in cost accounting, what is possible? We can adequately control each and every element of cost separately. That is material, labor, and overheads. It is both an art as well as science. See, when we talk about science, science is a systematic theoretical body of knowledge wherein universal principles are applied. So here also, in case of cost accounting, we can see it is a science. Why? Because there are certain principles and techniques, cost principles, which can be applied. And why it is an art? It is an art because whatever principles and techniques are there, it requires application in terms of cost accounting. So we can say it is both an art as well as science. So I hope you understood the differences between costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, and in details about what are the features of cost accounting. Thank you so much.